over. Do you know it? Hey.
Hey.
Is that what you want? We'll get you. One time.
Кошка в путешествие отправляется. Давай мне.
Do you want a greeny street?
No bite.
Do you have the baby's posse? I see. Millers. That's the baby's posse. What are you doing? Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Rolo, it's not dinner time yet. Got like 10 more minutes, buddy.
Go again. That's it. Go.
Okay, so it's you're insane.
Shit, screw it, quick. Screw it, quick.
Oh, big stretch, but
So, Miss Reynolds, if you're interested in buying our arena football.
What?
you gonna get it? Get it?
Well, that's dumb. I keep track of my subscriptions in spreadsheets. Let's get it right.
I gotta get out of here.
Like not wanting to go downstairs. Oh. Oh. Nah, nah. Nah, nah.
What is that?
Côté, il renifle là. Non, non. Hé, hé.
Let me tell you something right now. Let me tell you something right now. Let me tell you something right now. At the end of the day, I will fuck you up.
Ballerina cappuccina. Mi. È la moglie di Cappuccino Assassino e ama la musica la. La sua passione è il ballerino lololo.
No. Don't huff and puff at me.
Jay, thank you very much.
So good and tasty.
Get up!
You're free. You're free.
Lucy, come on! You can't go to work with the policeman. He has tickets to give out.
Shark, you hungry?
What are you doing? What are you doing? Come upstairs.
Amir, sit. She said Good boy! Собака, которой не разрешили украсть руки у снеговика.
No, I don't.
Chodzi. Chodzi.
Hi, Ted. How sweet. Broken your fish? You gotta work. Okay, one more time.
Años, querido chiqui. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. ¡Qué mucho pena,
Jackie.
Drop the stick. Get in the car. Pluto, what are you doing with those? Come on.
Have you ever been told that you're cute before?
Yes. My mama told me.
No.
Not the enemy, I promise you. He didn't do it. It was the other room. Rocky. Rocky. I want to sweep the... Rocky, can I...
You want a treat, buddy? You want a treat? Got your ass. Oh.
The hair we collected from you over 9 months is what made us this part of this baby.
She doesn't even care. Are you balancing, you little monster? What is he doing to you? She doesn't even care. How freaking funny. How would be? What are they doing? What are they just doing? Where are their people? Just right there. Oh my God! So
Get him, puppy. Oh! Get him! Get him! Get him, Daisy!
croissant won't solve all your problems, but two might do the trick.
Bro, where is you going? What is you doing?
For work. You're gonna go to work.
You kind of are.
What?
Dingle bongle dingle dangle, yickety doo, yickety da, ping pong, lippy tappy too ta.
You ready to go inside, Rue? Let's go outside.
Good boy to leave it. Good boy to leave it. Yes.
I was on the shuttle. Hi. Hi. Why did you like this? Oh, what did you do to the dog? I know she goes. That's a much better review than I'm sorry. I love your dog.
She's Puść тебя! Все!
I'm made of rubber. Your bottoms are made of spring. They're bouncy, bouncy, flouncy, bouncy, fun, 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 fun. But the most wonderful thing about triggers is I'm the only one.
Get her now. Get her.
Come on, do your little dance.
Get her.
Are you breadcrumbing yourself now?
Oh, here comes Buddy. Here comes Bear.
John to 642-642. Ask about the Bosley Guarantee. That's DONE to 642-642.
It's loving you. It's okay.